Roxy Smith. I was a former beauty queen. Just last year, nag-transition ako into being an artist kasi it was really my dream. And just like every other job, wala namang madaling trabaho. Person like siguro karamihan sa inyo dito na trabaho muna. Yung nakakalimutan, alagaan yung sarili. Mga bad eating habits, kinakalimutan ko na mag-breakfast. Yun na rin may mga karamdaman because of work. My experience got really bad kasi nagsimula po siya na minaliit ko po yung sakit ko. Minaliit ko siya na akala ko, nag-start siya na ubo lang sipon hanggang sa naging pneumonia na po siya. Andun yung fear na paano ba di na ako magising kinabukasan. After my pneumonia, I kept on getting sick. I got ulcer, I got UTI. In short, sakitin po talaga ako. Alala ko yung one night, sobrang naiyak na lang ako na grabe. Ang pinescribe sa akin lagi, antibiotics. Hindi pa tapos yung taon, nakalimang antibiotics na ako na session. Parang sabi ko, Lord, parang ayoko na po. Hanggang sa sinabihan ko na yung doctor na, please don't prescribe me with antibiotics. I cannot do it anymore. I don't want it. I remember, my mom kasi, I grew up na she really likes yung mga organic. Kasi we're from Baguio. Na parang sabi ko, kailangan may go-to talaga ako na herbal or organic na hindi mabubugbog yung organs ko. Doon ako na in love sa JC Organic Barley. Yun na yung start ng kwento. My friend recommended it to me. And sabi, girl, try mo to. Since I started taking JC Organic Barley, I really felt na parang confident ako na kahit anong pagod ko that day, for as long as mainom ko siya, 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup at night. Tapos, I feel confident throughout the day. Kahit anong puyat, kahit anong pagod, I feel equipped. And surprisingly, di ba kunento ko sa inyo 2022? Ulcer, UTI, pneumonia. Guess what? This year, wala na! Ang dami mong problema sa mundo on normal days, pero pag nagkasakit ka, yun na lang yung magiging problema mo. That's the only things that's gonna go through your mind. Like nothing, yung mga maliliit na problema, it doesn't matter kapag alam niyo na yun. So health, as cliche as it sounds, health is wealth. JC Organic Barley is a great gift to my managers, to my friends, kasi I think when you give that as a gift, it's like a form of love also. Kasi you want them to be healthy. I know, importante magtrabaho, importante this and that, and ang dami nating ginagawa. Kulang ang 24 hours in a day. I hope this will serve as a reminder to you na you have to prioritize your health. You have to also eat the right food, drink water. You're gonna be healthy because you ended your day drinking JC Organic Barley.